Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics right. Mount and lock the lens, power the camera, and set the lens to manual focus or the body to single point AF. Once done, choose a single focus point that matches your subject's eye or edge. Make sure the subject fills the frame enough for contrast. You want control now, not automation. Use a medium aperture, for example f/4, to balance depth of field and clarity, and move in or out slightly to help the camera find sharpness. Next, refine focus with tools. Activate focus magnification or focus peaking so you can see critical sharpness up close. You should turn the focus ring slowly and deliberately. When shooting, stills use live view magnification, and when tracking, motion switch to continuous AF while keeping a single focal point. Also, make sure aperture and ISO support a fast enough shutter speed. If not, increase ISO or open aperture slightly. These choices directly affect depth of field and the camera's ability to lock precisely on your subject. Finish by locking focus or assigning focus to a back button so the shutter doesn't alter your lock. This gives you consistent shots. Once you take a test frame, inspect at 100% on the screen to verify sharpness. If it's soft, reshoot with tiny ring adjustments. If the camera hunts or refuses to settle, switch to manual focus and repeat the magnification check. This is your fallback. Remember, steady hands or a tripod reduce hunting and improve repeatable, razor-sharp results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.